Here's a basic tutorial under Windows 10 on how to restore a missing icon onto the desktop. So let's say you had a Firefox internet browser icon on the desktop and somehow it disappeared. So to restore that, simply go to the Start menu and type in the name of the program. In this case is Firefox. Okay, here it is, it was found. Now if you right click on it, in older Windowses you had the option to send to desktop, but in Windows 10 we have these two options, pin to start or pin to taskbar. That is, you can add it to the start menu or you can add an icon of that program to the taskbar. Okay, if you want to show the icon onto the desktop, then you should use open file location. Okay, and after that simply drag this icon, Firefox in this case, and drop it onto the desktop. It remains here and it's there also because it's a shortcut. It has this arrow, which has an arrow that is a shortcut. Okay, and now the icon was restored. You can place it wherever you want and the browser is fully functional. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Game. Bye bye.